Another awesome reason for using the LTI Kami integration in Canvas is the ability for teachers to be able to edit an assignment once it's posted. So let's start by looking at Class View. For more information about Class View, be sure to check out our video that walks through all of the details. Class View allows teachers to scroll back and forth from left to right and keep a pulse on what's happening in students' assignments. This all happens in real time, so we can actually watch students working. The teacher may notice that many students are getting a certain number wrong, or in the case of certain students, they may be off task or misutilizing a tool. All of that can be remedied by going into the Edit Assignment option. There are a couple of different ways to get to Edit Assignment. To begin with, if we head back to Canvas, you can head here to this button, which will allow you to click Edit Assignment, or even easier, right here is an Edit Assignment button. You can simply click, and what will open is the template file of the assignment. So now teachers can make changes to the assignment. They could add a graph, they could add a video, they could delete a set of instructions. Perhaps the teacher has explained what to do in this voice comment and it's confusing. It can be deleted and re-recorded so that way students can better understand how to be successful in this activity. Let's say, in this case, that students are getting number 6 wrong. All the teacher has to do is cross it off. And if they'd like, they could follow up with a quick voice comment. Hey friends, it seems that everyone's confused about this number 6. We will do it together in class. You don't need to do it. Now, this X and this voice comment will be added to every student's assignment. To make this change to all students' assignments, we'll head up to the top right and we'll see a purple button that says Update All. I'll click this, and now it says, would you like to apply changes to all student copies? And I'll choose Update. What will happen now is every student will have those changes pushed out to their assignment. Let's take a look. We'll go over to another window where we can see a student working. As we scroll down, we'll notice there's that X and there's that voice comment. This happens in real time and does not disrupt the student's progress. If a student was typing or creating something, highlighting text, doing any kind of work in the assignment, that will not be disrupted. The other option for using Edit Assignment and Class View exists in Class View itself. So now we're back in the Class View environment. Let's recall that we can get there by clicking right here where it says Open Class View in Canvas. When I'm here, if you'll follow my mouse to this toggle switch up here in the top right, this toggle will allow us to move back and forth between the template file of the assignment, the Edit Assignment environment. You can tell that you're in this because it's a single assignment here on the page. And then we can switch to Class View by toggling back over, and the Class View interface will show you all of your student work in one place. Let's take a look at one final option. If we notice, Olivia is off task. She's even gone so far as to add an image to this file instead of reading and highlighting and answering questions as she's expected to do. So what we'll do is we'll head up to this icon right here. This is the assignment settings icon. I'll click and choose feature control. This allows teachers to go in and at any time change the feature control of the assignment. So for example, the teacher has given students the ability to add media, including from a Google image search. If students are misutilizing this tool, the teacher can uncheck the box and those tools will no longer be available. Now, this isn't always about catching students doing something off task. It could also be something where the teacher realizes, hey, the kids really need the drawing tool and the eraser, and I forgot to give it to them. So we'll go ahead and make those changes and then choose confirm right here. Instantaneously now, if we head back over to the student view, we're back in Olivia's environment, and now she no longer has the add media option, so she can't add any additional images to her assignment because that's not part of the task at hand. If you have any questions regarding anything with ClassView and Canvas and editing assignments, we hope you won't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.